Stay tuned to watch my healthy and nutritious recipe of palak dal khichdi. So let us dive into the recipe and see our ingredients. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. Here I am having half a cup of moong dal and half a cup of rice. I have soaked both together. You all can see I have soaked them for 1.5–2 hours. And here I am having freshly chopped garlic. This is fresh green garlic, lila lasan, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato, and this is the winter special fresh haldi. I am going to be using this. 1 bay leaf, ginger and green chili paste, blanched, chopped and pureed palak, and here I am having jeera, 1 teaspoon of jeera, and 6 to 7 peppercorns, and this half a teaspoon of ajwain. This is my homemade ghee which I am going to be using in our palak khichdi. I am showing you all a simple and easy way of making palak khichdi. Pressure cooker is heated up nicely. Into this I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, homemade ghee. So into this I am adding cumin seeds, few peppercorns and ajwain. I am crushing the ajwain so all the flavors are released. And along with this I am adding 1 chopped onion, and I will give a mix. And we'll let this saute for 2 minutes. Into this I am adding ginger and green chili paste. And this is my winter special ingredient, lila lasan, green garlic. I am adding half now and half I kept for the tempering later on. And I will give a mix to our lila lasan, onion and masalas. Along with this I am adding 1 bay leaf. We let this cook until onion turns golden brown in color. And into this I am grating this fresh haldi, and I will give a good mix to all. Let us saute all the masalas nicely for 2 minutes. To this I am adding blanched and pureed spinach. Spinach is considered a superfood because it is loaded with nutrients, low in calorie, rich in vitamin A, C and K, and this leafy veggie benefits your skin, hair, bones and also helps in weight loss. Adding this green to your healthy diet will benefit your health in multiple ways. Green garlic has got antibacterial as well as anti-inflammatory qualities, which safeguards against infections. And it also helps us with the cough and cold issue. Now we all know the health benefits of seasonal veggies which are available locally. Do include them in your diet and stay healthy. Into this now I am adding red Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of each coriander and cumin and red Kashmiri chili powder, and salt to suit your taste. And I will give a good mix. You all must have noticed I have not added dry turmeric powder because I have used fresh turmeric. Into this goes our tomatoes, and I will be mixing them nicely, and we let this saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Our palak, tomato and onion, all the things are ready. Into this I am adding our dal and rice khichdi. And with this I am adding 3 cups of water. And I will give a good mix. Now I will give 3 whistles, or you all can cook for 20 minutes. Our khichdi is ready. We'll wait for 5 minutes and open the lid. Let us open the lid and see the khichdi. Now we'll give a final stir to our khichdi. Our delicious khichdi is ready. Now let us put it in a serving bowl. I am giving a healthy and tasty twist to our palak dal khichdi. To make it more healthier, I am giving a temper with the lila lasan, 1 tablespoon of ghee. I have added in the kadai. Into this I am adding our lila lasan, green garlic. I let it turn little light golden brown and will temper our khichdi with this lila lasan. So lila lasan, as I told you all, has a lots of health benefits. Palak dal khichdi is ready to eat with curds. You all can eat this with the pickles or with the papad also. I hope you liked my recipe of palak dal khichdi. This is how we enjoy our palak dal khichdi with the twist of lila lasan, green garlic and temper of desi ghee. I hope you liked my recipe of palak dal khichdi. If you liked my recipe, please give thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my channel.